Well, it's the afternoon, and this is a little spot that I've been told is prime for fishing, really. Use your cast net in here, which you can see all the sort of fish jumping around here. Hoping they're little mullet. I've been told they're little mullet, easy to catch. Chuck them in a bucket and chuck an aerator in there, and it should be good to last a couple of days. So, touch wood, I think we're going to try that. And then you can see out there, out in the distance, they're fishing out there, and they use them as a live bait. So happy days, I guess, because it's pretty close to home, like it's walking distance for me. So I guess we're just gonna try and cast net. So I'm still learning on that, hit and miss there, but I'd love to get some and keep them in a bucket for a couple of days and just walk down every day to have a fish. Seems like a plan. Seems like I'll hopefully get something that way. All right, let's get into it. I don't know if it's showing on the camera here, all the movement from the little fish. But I suppose it's a good place to learn how to use the cast net. So we'll give it a crack. Enjoy a nice coldie down here while we're doing it. So it wasn't the best, but we still got some. Pretty happy with that. Definitely wasn't the best shot. Oh yeah, mate. How do I get them out? Gotta be happy with that. So pretty crap throw, but got two for the first throw. Ooh. Probably need a bigger bucket. I think I'm getting better. None in that one. It's a good throw, that one, but there's none there. Oh yeah, we did get one. Got one little one. I think I got the trick worked out. Sort of flick it low and quick. There we go, we got another one. Another one. But the mozzies are getting pretty bad now, so I think I'll head down here. There's a lot of stuff jumping down there. And have, I guess, one more, maybe two more throws. And then call it, just because the mozzies are out. I'll see if I can adjust this camera around. plenty of leaves and rocks, but we've got a couple more. So I'm over the moon here. This is helps a lot, I guess, when you got fish that are a bit bigger than the ones in the last video. I'm not blaming the fish on being small in the last video, they were just pretty tiny and my skills weren't there at all. Ooh. One more quick one and then get out of here. Just because of these bloody mosquitoes. They're incredible here. Ooh, yeah, a couple more. Goody. Wow, those mozzies came out thick and fast. I mean, I'm itching all over, but I'm over the moon. We got a few. You can't really see much in there at the moment, especially with this GoPro. But we got probably, I don't know, 10 or 12, something like that. So I guess we'll chuck this little aerator in, which is powered by a couple of, one D-cell battery. So we'll chuck that in overnight and cover it up so they can't jump out. And head back down here in the morning, do a bit of fishing, which I'm excited for. Bit of live baiting on the flats, try and dodge some crocodiles. But I think I've sort of got the cast net down pat. You sort of throw it low and quick, hope for the best really. If anyone's got any tips, let us know, but I'm enjoying it, it's good. Well, unfortunately, it's bloody low tide. It's the next day. All prepared to come out fishing here where those boys were parked up. But it's low tide. And I mean, the water's out a couple hundred metres there, so I'm not even going to try here. Fish are still doing good, still alive. So that's pretty good. The little aerator's doing its job. While I've got the time off, I want to have a fish. But then I guess worst case tonight, we'll come back here when the tide's in and have a fish and watch the sunset. Stickers. Our stickers have come in and they're really good quality. I know everyone would say that with their own stickers, but they're vinyl cut. They're scratch resistant, weatherproof, UV resistant, all that jazz, which is pretty good. And Patreon members, we've sent a few out to you guys. Bloody legends, for showing us support this whole time. We've sent a few out to you just to say thank you. And if you want to get a hold of a couple of these, we've got a little store below in the description here somewhere. We'll try and get rid of a few of them. And I guess the more that we get out, the more our channel's sort of going to grow. So we're selling them pretty cheap, well, sort of as cheap as we can do, because I don't know if you've sent a letter these days, but it's $1.10 to get a stamp now. So I don't know, we'll see how we go, but the prices, everything's in the description below there on our little storefront there. And yeah, anything we do make will be going directly straight back into the channel. So yeah, happy days. We'll whack one on the car. And if you see us as well, give us a shout. We'll give you a sticker, if we got some. There you go. First one's on there. Happy days. Well, it doesn't get much better than this. Well, saying that, if I catch a fish, it probably does. But this is our setup. Just going to chill down here, I guess, for the afternoon and try and have a fish with those mullet, because they're still kicking nice and strong. Just changed the water and the battery on that little thing, so I have to look at a rechargeable sort of system for that, because it just chews the battery, and they're bloody expensive batteries. But I guess we'll have a flick, watch the tide. If it comes any closer, we'll move up a bit, because we've got plenty of room in front of us. But it's going to be a beautiful harbour. So I've resorted back to using the big hook, which I'm just going to put through his tail, I guess. Seems to be the way people are telling me to do it. So I'll whack it through his tail and then, I guess, live bait him, let him swim out by himself. Hope for the best. Oh, look at that. First fish. Nothing special, but it's a fish. So I'm bloody over the moon there. Live baits are starting to work. There she goes. So first fish done. No idea what it is, got to do some research there, but it's been all right. Still got a bit of light, so we'll chuck another one in and have another crack, but sweet. That was a barra. I don't know if that showed. There's a huge gulping sound. Took me by surprise, that thing. Give it that.
Yeah, buddy.
So it's the next night, and we've come down with a couple of other workers. It's a nice couple of beers down the beach, and he's already hooked on in the first 5 minutes. Which is pretty good, because he's given me some little tips. So we're running a running sinker. Oh yeah! So we're back down for another night. Got the guru there, but we're going to bring out the big gun here and try and launch that out as far as we can, because there's apparently a little, I guess, drop off edge that they run along. So I've lost my rid at this. So yeah, we'll hopefully get something on that edge. So absolutely spewing there. Didn't get that in the shot, but first real fish here. I'll leave a photo there. Meter 1.02, I think it was, queenie. So over the moon now. Know what we're doing, know how to cast net, and sort of know how to fish. Well, got ourselves a shark, so I don't know how much you can hear in this wind, I'm sorry. We've managed to get it just in the side of the front cheeks there, so we'll see if we can get it out. A quick little try, nothing too special. I don't want to go near his teeth, and then get him back in the water, I guess. Baby reef shark. We'll get him back in there, get him swimming. Done. Happy days. Managed to get him with the pliers, so over the moon there. Don't know if we're going to rig up. I think we're going to call it this one. Got a queenie, shark. It's been a good night.